In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Hostinger domain. Whether you're looking to tidy up your domain portfolio or moving on from a particular project, this guide will take you through the process step by step. First, we'll start by disabling the auto-renew feature for your domain through Hostinger's platform. Disabling auto-renewal is a critical first step because it ensures that you won't be billed for an extension of your domain registration when it comes time to renew. To get started, you'll need to log into your Hostinger account using hPanel. Once you're in, you'll want to navigate to the Domain section and click on My Domains. Here, you can see a list of all the domains you currently have registered with Hostinger. Find the specific domain you'd like to let go of. There's a small drop-down icon next to each domain, and by clicking this, you'll find the option to disable auto-renew. Select this, and make sure to confirm your choice. By doing so, you've stopped future billing for this domain. However, it will remain active until its current expiration date. Now, on to the next stage, which is simply allowing the domain to expire. Your domain will stay live right up until this date. After expiration, the domain enters a series of stages before it is fully deleted. Initially, it moves into what's known as the grace period, which typically lasts about 30 days. During this time, you're able to renew the domain at the standard renewal price if you change your mind. Following the grace period, the domain enters the redemption period. This phase is similar, but comes with increased costs if you decide you want to renew it after all. This too lasts roughly 30 days. Finally, the domain progresses to the pending deletion stage. At this point, it will soon be released back into the public pool where anyone can register it. To confirm the removal of your domain from your account, you simply need to wait for this entire cycle to complete. This process usually spans around 60 to 70 days in total. Once all phases have passed, the domain is officially deleted from your account, meaning it's completely free for registration by someone else. By following these steps, you're effectively removing your domain without incurring any further charges or needing to take additional action. Remember, patience is key as this process is designed to ensure you truly intend to let the domain go, while also offering multiple opportunities to retain it if necessary. And there you have it, your domain cleanup made easy with Hostinger. I hope you found this guide helpful in managing your domains. Stay tuned for more tutorials like this, and thank you for watching.